into my eyes. Tell me the truth and not lies. And now I understand. And now I understand. Too good to be true, our worlds collide. Tell me the truth and not lies. And now I understand.
This is a Cinema Beats production.
It started off nice, a dream I slept through. I felt so good, a touch so gentle. You was everything, you was on my mental. I was your padding, you was my pencil. You were the words, I was the instrumental. Without us, there's no song to sing to. You were the match, the gas that lit you. You were the fire inside me that lit through. You were the air that kept me alive when I could barely breathe. It felt dead inside, and my whole life felt like it was at its end. Then I saw your face and my smile came back again. Things turned up and I was close to you. You resurrected me, yeah, I rose to you. No one loved me this much, only you. But I didn't know what the hell I was supposed to do. Forgive me.
Don't look straight into my eyes. Tell me the truth and not lies. Now I understand. Now I understand. To be true, our worlds collide. Tell me the truth and not lies. Now I understand. Now I understand.
No more lies, I'ma let you know now how much I feel for you. No more holding back what I feel and who I wouldn't kill for you. I'm still here with a heart big enough to pump this blood through both of us. To the people that deny what we have, they can choke on big old swollen nuts. They can hate, let them hate. I'm getting so damn sick of them. We jumped over lust and fell in love. We don't gotta prove shit to them. How can I say how much you mean to me without sounding so damn stupid? I don't think you understand. I love you so much, it's so confusing.
Don't look straight into my eyes. Tell me the truth and not lies. Now I understand. Now I understand. Too good to be true, our worlds collide. Tell me the truth and not lies. Now I understand. Now I understand.
We been through shit and we keep going through it. Passion and dedication, dedicate ourselves to us so we can make it. Through anything we can take it. No matter the weather, we stay wet together in the rain and the hurricanes on my hand, baby, and we can beat it. Love is pain and so insane, we stuck, we can't leave it. No, it won't let us, so let us get wet up. Fuck it, let's dance in this rain, now get up. Katrina couldn't wash away my love for you, even if we let her. Cause baby, I'm too tired to you. We can make it through, I won't lie to you. You think this weather is strong, just hold on and see what the fuck I can do.
Don't look straight